Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a natural herbal moisturizer using mucilage. The concoction that we're going to make today is going to be primarily hydrating, but it's also going to be partly cleansing, and it's going to serve as a way to replenish nutrients back into the face and into the hair. So mucilage is a natural jelly-like substance that's produced by most plants and even some animals. And this is a way for plants to store water and other nutrients. So when we apply mucilage to the face and to the hair, we have an opportunity to gain that moisturizing aspect, but also to receive the phytonutrients of that plant and botanical. So today we're going to be making something that is going to be used topically, meaning it's going to be used for the face and for the hair. And this is a wonderful way to replenish moisture for those who have chronically dry skin. So if you're someone who, after you come out of the shower, or after you're done cleansing, your face gets instantly dry, really tight, feels like it's gonna crack, and you have to run and grab your moisturizer. This may be a sign that you have some kind of chronic or prolonged dryness to the skin. So this is a way for us to start repairing that so that we can replenish moisture and bounce into the skin. This is also wonderful for inflammation. So anybody who has inflamed acne or any kind of inflamed papules on the skin, this is a great way to soothe that inflammation. It's also partly cleansing, so it's going to remove a certain amount of dirt or oils from the skin, and it's also great for aging skin. So as we age, we want to continue to replenish moisture back into the skin. And it's wonderful if you have a dull or kind of haggard complexion. I also like to use mucilage for the hair as a detangler and moisturizer. Mucilage provides a lot of slip, so when we use it on our curls, it's a great way for us to detangle without causing so much breakage. And I also like to use it as a leave-in product sometimes because it creates a really nice moisturizing film around the curl, so it kind of adds a little bit of definition to the hair as well. Some very popular plants that are used often for their mucilage include aloe vera, Irish moss, flaxseed. Today I'm going to be using 2 mucilage producing botanicals and then 1 additional botanical that I like to add in for its phytonutrients. So my favorite mucilage producing herb that I love to use for the skin is slippery elm. And slippery elm is wonderful because it just provides so much gel and so much moisture back into the skin. It really hydrates deeply and it gives you that baby soft skin where your skin doesn't feel cracked or dry. And then I also have marshmallow root powder. Marshmallow root is used internally in herbal medicine as a digestive aid, but when applied to the skin, it provides a great protective barrier to the mantle of the skin, so we're able to retain the moisture. And the last herb that I have here is yin-er, also known as tremella, or sometimes known as snow mushroom. And yin-er has been used extensively in traditional Chinese cosmetics and herbalism. And we love to use it in our baths and salves and moisturizers because of its amazing anti-aging properties. It is so rich in phytonutrients that we just love to add into our products so we can get the benefits of the mushroom. So I'm going to be adding this snow mushroom into my other mucilage producing plants, the slippery elm and the marshmallow root. So I'm going to start by combining my ingredients, beginning with the slippery elm, the marshmallow root, and the snow mushroom or yin-er. I'm going to combine my ingredients, and then I have here some hot distilled water. So I'm going to slowly pour and very quickly stir. I'm going to add the rest of my water and continue stirring. And as you continue to stir and incorporate the ingredients in the hot water, a gel is going to be produced. You can see that your mucilage will begin to form. You get the jelly-like substance. I'm just going to apply it to my face on my dry areas. So I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones, my chin, and around my forehead. And I'm going to put a little bit on my edges to kind of moisturize my baby hairs. After massaging that slowly in circular motions along the skin and the hairline, I let it sit for about a minute or 2, and then I take my clean, wet microfiber towel, and I'm just gonna slowly remove. So now that I removed the mucilage with a warm washcloth, I'm just going to follow up by toning and sealing with a facial oil. So I have some pure aloe vera hydrosol on a clean cotton ball. I'm going to use this gently along the skin where I applied the mucilage. And this is just to remove any excess that might be there. Hydrosols are also wonderful for regaining balance of the pH of the skin. And it's also cleansing, so I removed a little bit of dirt and oil as well. And I'm just gonna apply some pure tamanu oil. This is a wonderful oil for skincare. It's non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog the pores. And it's very thick, and it smells like dates. It has a wonderful scent to it. And I'm just gonna apply this over the areas that I just used my toner. And when you're applying your finishing product, whether it's a serum or a moisturizer, you don't want to tug on the skin, you don't want to rush. You want to massage the skin. And incorporate the product into the pores. And that's it. You gave yourself a wonderful natural herbal moisturizer, great for replenishing moisture and nutrients back into the skin. And this is a great way to maintain luster and bounce in the skin so that your skin can be preserved for years to come.